Behind the scenes in Bloom, each book is a little database of texts in various translations. Each set of translations can be displayed in the prompting box or on the page itself. Any vernacular book can become a shell book for others to translate. The format of a shell book and a vernacular book are identical. So how do we make this work? How do we change a vernacular book into a shell book? In this movie, we're going to start with a shell book written in German. The first user is going to use the shell book to make a book in an English collection. They are going to translate the German prompts into English. Then, we will see how someone could move that book with 2 translations into the source area for someone else, a third person, to use to translate from English into a third language. To get started, first of all, in this English collection, we make a book using the source, the German source. The book is written in German and I translate the prompts into English. In addition to publishing this new English book, I want to get this bilingual book back into circulation as the shell book, so that anyone using the shell book in future has the option of translating from the German or the new English translation. The first step is to get this version of the book into a sourced collection, preferably the one where the original German book was made. We will simply copy the folder containing the files for this book and replace the folder in the source collection. On this computer, where I have the English version in an English vernacular collection, find the folder which contains this English collection. By default, this is in my Documents and then Bloom folder. If you have a flash drive or a local area network with which you can transfer the folder, copy the folder and paste it onto the USB drive or network drive. On the other computer, locate the source collection. Copy the folder from the flash or network drive and paste it into this collection. Now you have 2 copies of the book in the source collection. You might be wondering why one folder name is in German while the other folder name is in English. These Bloom folders are named using the title in the language of the collection they were in. So the folder with the English title, originally from the English collection, will change back to the German title when I open this book in the source collection where German is the first language, and we'll see that later. Delete the older copy which does not contain all the languages. On this computer, open Bloom and open the source collection which contains the updated book. Notice that the title is now displayed in German, and in Windows Explorer the book's folder name now uses the German title. Open the book to see that the additional language is now shown in a prompt box. Good, there it is. Now that the updated shell book is in the source collection, you can create a new Bloom pack from it to pass to other authors. Or better still, you can upload it to the online Bloom library so that more Bloom users can access it. To do this, click the Publish tab. Click Upload. If you already have a Bloom account, use the login link. If you need to sign up for a Bloom account, use the sign up link. When you're ready to upload, click Upload Book. The upload is now complete. We could go over to the Bloom Library website to see whether the book has been successfully uploaded as it claims. Yes, there it is. If you later need to replace the uploaded book with a newer version since you've improved it or added yet another language, you can do this by simply repeating the same steps to upload the book. Bloom checks that you want to replace the previously uploaded version with the newer one. When you say yes, replace existing, the newer book is uploaded to the Bloom library and replaces the older copy. So now an updated version of the book is available for others to download from the Bloom library. So to summarise, when you need to use a vernacular book to update the original shell book it is based on, find the folder for the vernacular collection which contains the vernacular books folder. Copy the folder for the book. After using a flash or network drive to transfer the folder to another computer, paste the books folder into the source collection. If possible, the source collection which contains the original shell book. Then delete the original shell book. When you next open this source collection in Bloom, you will find the shell book has been updated. To distribute the shell book to others, either make a Bloom pack or upload the book to the Bloom library.